Hey teachers at sa ating mga teacher applicants dyan. So we have here another video and itong video ay para po sa inyo. So since 4th quarter na and if you are searching for a detailed lesson plan in Science 4 under the Matatag curriculum, ito pong video ay para sa inyo. So kung makikita nyo po, ito ay isang detailed lesson plan in Science 4 since ang ating mga teacher applicants ay kailangan ang kanilang i-present na lesson plan ay detailed. But if you are already a public school teacher, pwede mo din itong gamitin during your classroom observation. Ito po palang lesson plan ay may kasabay ng PowerPoint. Pero ang papakita po natin ngayon ay ang lesson plan mismo. So yan po, under the Matatag makikita nyo po yung content standard, performance standard, and ang kanyang learning competencies or objectives wherein nakasubtas na po siya. Yan po. Then we have here the parts. So ito pong parts, kung makikita nyo sa ating mga teacher applicants, we have the preparatory activities. Then dito po, just add kung ano ang pwede nyong ilagay dyan na pwedeng sources pa ninyo or additional references. Then after that, you have the first E, the engage. So ito palang lesson plan ay gumamit tayo dito ng 5 E's since ito yung ating strategy na ginagamit or approach sa science. So yan. So if you want this, you can take screenshots para makita nyo po yung mismong content, or you can simply message me to see the full content of this lesson plan. So yan po siya. Okay. So again, this is just a sample guide for teachers, and if ever, you can always modify or edit this one. Then elaborate, then evaluate, then extend. So ipaliwanag lang po natin, especially sa ating mga teacher applicants. So sa ating preparatory activities, diyan nyo po ginagawa ang inyong mga routines, daily routine. Then motivation or engage, kung paano nyo i-motivate ang inyong mga learners. Yan po. So basahin nyo lang po dyan yung content. Next, dito lang po sa explore, this is the group activity. So yan po. And we have to ensure na sa ating group activities, differentiated po siya. So when you say differentiated, iba-iba dapat ang activities na ibabagay natin per group. So halimbawa sa group 1, yan po siya. Group 2, iba naman. Then group 3, yan, iba rin siya. So sa ating mga applicants, always we have here the pupils activity, nilalagay natin yung ating expected outputs. Then after the activity, we have, or we should ensure the comprehension check leading to the topic. Then after the presentation, we have the explain part. So here, the pupils will present their outputs. Then after that, this is now the time of the teacher to facilitate learning. So ito po, nasa sa inyo na po ito kung paano yung present. But hindi naman kailangan na spoon feeding. So this is just to supplement the answers or presentation of the group. Then after that, reflection to apply the learnings to their day-to-day activities. Then valuing, andyan na po, to add learning from their learned experiences. Then andyan din po yung generalization halos. And after that, if everything is okay, then you have the evaluate, yung ating formative test for the day. And lastly, if needed, extend o yung inyong assignment. So yan po yung laman ng ating detailed lesson plan. Then of course at the bottom, prepared by your name. Okay. So after this, yan, may PowerPoint po ito ha, halimbawa if ever you need. So that's all. Sana po nakatulong.